Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can set your trading preferences in the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app. Then you have to go to the settings, which you can find up in the top left corner. If you tap on this, you have to scroll down to the settings menu, and by tapping on the settings menu, you will open up the settings and you can find the trading preferences menu, right the second one on the list. And when you tap on it, here you have three choices that you can set in your trading preferences menu. The show instruments full name. So by turning this on, it's going to show you the full name of any instruments and stocks. The second one is show position on chart, as you can see, and the fractional shares indicator, which means that appears next to the icon of the instruments which support fractional shares. That means that you can invest only in fractions of a share in these stocks. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.